And I said, don't skew your data sets. Oh!
That is great.
Yeah.
Guys, you're rolling.
Oh. Hello, my name is Gerald Periwinkle.
And I'm Ron Crimson.
And this is ZS Express on the go. Today we are here to discuss the issue of whether kids on Team Imagine are spending too much time on their phone or not. What do you think of the issue, Hot Rod Red?
Well, let's look into the issue. I certainly hope they aren't pinky toe. We have a graph here of the amount of time kids spend on their technology daily.
We had predicted that kids spend about half of the time they spend on technology per day on their phones. We have a graph here to show our survey results.
The third quartiles of the data sets that we have collected reflect our predictions.
The third quartile of our top graph, the amount of time they spend on their phones per day, is 90. The third quartile of our bottom graph, how much time they spend on technology in all, is 165. This is relatively close to 180. This agrees with their statement.
However, the medians of our data do not reflect our findings and show that kids on average do not spend about half of their time on technology per day on their phones.
We have another graph here to further show our finding.
We will take a sample from the average of these data sets, the modes of total time spent on technology and time spent on phones.
The average of time spent on phones is 53.75 minutes. The average of total time spent on technology is 122.2 minutes. These numbers nearly reflect our thesis. It is only 14.7 minutes away from half of the average total spent time on technology.
We have our results then. It appears that kids on Team Imagine spend just under half of their time they spend on technology a day on their phone. They do not spend too much time on their phone, although that may change in the future as technology progresses.
Indeed it may. That is all.
This broadcast is brought to you by Women Granite Wipes. Don't take technology for granted.
Or leather.